Hello students, today we are going to learn 6 concepts regarding polynomials. This is the fourth screen, that is, it's the fourth video. First one is algebraic expression. It is a binomial expression having two terms. 5x plus 3 is an example, and another one 6x square plus 7y plus m. It is a trinomial expression of different variables. So here x is there, x square and y and m, and this is an algebraic expression. Now, algebraic equation should have equal to symbol. Therefore, it has two parts, the left side part and the right side part. They are equal. We have to equalize, and this is called LHS or RHS. For an example, 5x plus 3 is equal to 8, 3x square minus 7x plus 9, etc. This is algebraic equation. Now, the third one is, what is a polynomial in one variable? Expressions like 6x square, 7x power 6 minus 4x power 3 minus 2. Another example, 2y square minus 3y plus 7. They are considered as polynomial expressions in one variable. Here in algebraic expression, you can see different variables. But here you can see only one variable of decreasing order of variable. Therefore, here 7x power 6, and there is no x power 5, and there is no x power 4, but there is x power 3 minus, and there is no x also, like, and we have minus 2. This order, it has to be like this, but here this is a missing term, therefore you can keep a 0 here. Therefore the value of this part, this term, going to be 0. And x power 4 is also missing, but virtually it is there, and you have to keep a 0. Therefore minus 4x cube is there, and x term, x square term is also not there, and create an x square term and plus some x term, and minus 2 is there. So for the x square term is also missing, therefore you can keep 0. And x term is also missing, you can keep 0. Actually, power 6 mean 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 terms will come. For a polynomial, it should be a decreasing order of the variable of their degree, of the power. Therefore, the degree of the polynomial is a 6, and it starts with x power 6, and x power 5 is not there, but we have created. X power 4 is not there, it is not given, but we have created. And x power 3 and x power 2 is not there, x power 1 is not there, and actually this 2 contains x power 0. X power 0 is nothing but 1. Therefore, a polynomial should be in the order of the variable and its power. It should be in a decreasing order, like x power 6, x power 5, x power 4, x power 3, x power 2, x power 1, and x power 0. Now, what is not a polynomial? Here we can see it should not be in a denominator. 1 by x minus 1 is not a polynomial. It look like a binomial, but we should not consider it as a polynomial. And the second example for not a polynomial is x value, that means x power should not have 1 by 2. Root mean root of x is equal to x power 1 by 2. It should not be in the roots, even though it contains some other powers, positive powers, but it should have 1 by x as a power. Therefore it is not a polynomial. Here it is also not a polynomial. Here x power 1, of course, but here when the x is taken to the numerator, then it can be as x power minus 1. Therefore this is also not a polynomial. We have to be carefully differentiate between what is a polynomial and what is not a polynomial. We can create polynomial of degree 6 and we can create a polynomial of degree 5 or 4 and 3. Now let us see the fifth point, the standard form of polynomial equation. Till now we are discussed with the polynomial expressions only. Algebraic expressions, of course, polynomial expressions. But now we are going to learn about the standard form of polynomial equation. A1 x power n plus A2 x power n minus 1 plus A3 x power n minus 2 and so on, A is equal to 0, where A is a number or a constant and x is a variable. X is a variable. A is a constant and x is a variable. For an example, now I have created of degree 5 a polynomial 3x power 5 plus 2x power 4 minus 6x power 3 minus x square plus 9x plus 17 is equal to 0. This is a standard form of polynomial equation. Now let us see some examples of the standard form of linear equation. How the linear equation could be? Linear mean, previous class we have learned the power must be 1. 4x plus 5 equal to 0. The degree of the polynomial is 1. Therefore this is called a linear equation. Now let us see quadratic equation. 3x square plus 5x plus 11 equal to 0. The degree of the polynomial is 2. Therefore this is called quadratic equation. Now the cubic equation, 5x power 3 plus 4x square plus 2x minus 9 equal to 0. The degree is 3. Here the biquadratic, the degree is 4. So these are the examples for linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation and biquadratic equation. Thank you.